Many companies are facing the issue which the pickers make mistakes by picking the wrong items or the wrong quantities. In the end will create many differences when closing stock is done. To reduce human error by verifying every order that is packed correctly, now SQL going to launch the program name SQL Pick Checker Program. SQL Pick Checker is a cross-checking program that can verify the item sold in stores is the right stock item and right quantity picked by the stock picker. Let's look into the system on how it's work. When an order comes in, users will key in the respective SO and print out the SO report where the document number or company code will be converted into a barcode. Open the SQL Pick Checker program. The checker can scan either the company code or the sales order number. For companies that deliver outstanding items according to customers, users are required to key in or scan the customer code. Once that is done, the system will list out all outstanding items belong to the customer. For companies that deliver outstanding stock item based on the sales order document number, users have to key in or scan the document number. The system will list out all outstanding items. Select the correct location code if you have multiple warehouse location. You can either scan or manually key in the item code, serial number or barcode. If you choose to scan the item's serial number or barcode, the system will locate your item based in the serial number barcode. When you scan or key the item, a green light will indicate that the quantity scanned is less than the quantity stated in the SO document. Scan the item. For the item matched with SO quantity, there is no light indicate on that row. Scan the item, the system will notify you if there are incorrect items. Scan the item. For the item matched with SO quantity, there is no light indicate on that row. Scan the items, a red light indicates that the quantity is more than the quantity required. Click to remove the excess item. If there is no light on the result, it indicates that quantity scanned has matched with the quantity stated in the SO document. Once you have completed this, click on Post to Account button. The system will automatically transfer the respective items and quantities to the delivery order. Check and delivery order (DO) have automatically issued. Stock Take Picking List. The SQL Pick Checker program can cross-check the items from Stock Take Picking List before proceeding with the delivery of stock items. In the Stock Take apps, the picker has to key in the SO document number in the reference column. Add in SO document number. Selected a numbers. Click on Tick. After finished, pick all the items, then the Stock Take apps will display all the scanned items only. Click on Export File button. Export out the file from Stock Take program. File is exported and saved into a local drive. Open the SQL Pick Checker program. Right-click on the selected file. The system will analyze the file. If there is no blinking light, the file has been analyzed without errors. Click the Post to Account button. The system will automatically transfer the respective items and quantities to the delivery order. Check and delivery order (DO) have automatically issued. That's all of this video. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video. Follow our Facebook for the latest update. Go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.